Arrow Town.
Okay, see you soon. Okay, bye.
Third exit.
Sunod kami sa Arrow Town.
In the roundabout, take the third exit onto Wiltshire Street.
Look for ganang town center.
Why?
Yes, there. Look for this arrow.
Oh, but that's where we're gonna go tomorrow, town center.
Town center on your left.
Hey?
We're going to the town center.
Town centre?
Yeah.
In front of us.
That way?
Good.
I don't know, where's the arrow pointing, Bagay?
Oh, I don't know.
Is that this way pointing?
This way.
Yeah.
Oh, is this your town center?
This is town center.
Well, I thought
Can you see the ranger?
Ranger, yes. But this blue one, Ranger.
I don't know if this was brown.
Turn right onto Wiltshire Street.
Let's turn off your...
Oh, look at this.
Oh, so this is their town center.
There's a ranger over there, I think.
Oh, yeah, that's them. Oh, there they are. Okay, looking for food. Where's that? Where's Lilibet and all that?
I don't know.
Pero sila otro.
Can we get into the spot?
Yeah.
Huh?
No.
Because it's a walkway.
You go look for... Yeah.
Here. Can we get into that?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, you go.
That's
What
too
are we
small.
doing?
They're looking for parking. Where is it?
There's parking down here.
Where? Ah, yes, down. Yeah, yes. There's a lot of parking here, my gosh.
Oh, it's not the parking here.
Yes. A lot of parking here, my gosh. Oh, mga sakinan, puros ice. Kapirting tugnawa. Look.
Turn left ahead.
Turn left. Turn left, Loki.
Ahead onto
Oh, tara mo
You're
sa...
just stuck here. Lilibet is behind you, hon. She's on...
Okay, guys. Dala. Eh, oh, don't open the door, ha? Kaya na sila. Okay.
She's on.
Hi guys, good morning. Yan meron sa Arrow Town. Medyo perting tugnawa ron, perting tugnawa. -3 ang temperature, -3. Nan double. Sila oh, ang mga turista oh, mga turista. Hoy, say hi to my vlog oh, turista. Oh, wala tugnawa. Sila. -3, doon -3. Pero tingin ko gipanog na ang mga tao diri, -3. Among gigian puros ice, ang mga green. Pero kato nagtrabaho to, oh, man nagtrabaho babae, nagakuan. Naga-share pants ra. Mo ni Arrow Town. Arrow Town. Na si Dre, niya mayroon sa Arrow Town. Today is May 9, 2024. -3. Oh, pagkatugnaw bay. Shout out sa akong mga subscriber diri sa Pilipinas o sa Australia, sa tanan kinsa mo diha. Pagkatugnaw rin bay. Okay. Oh, mga tao rin, ipanog na. Oh. Uy! Tura oh. Ito dito. Ha? Asa mo?
Wala na ka lang.
There's a restaurant. She's in the restaurant there eating. They just have to do something really fast because we have to eat an hour before you're gonna see him jump off a bridge.
Okay.
You can go this way.
Ipanog na rin, eh, meron sa Arrow Town.
But that's okay. Yeah, you can just walk up and down. Why? Ginoo ka pa
It's so cold.
pag ice cream mo ba? Huh?
Where's all the ice cream? I need ice cream. Whoa! Oh, gipugos sa mga tao dre. Ako ko'y gloves. Sila naga-gloves. Shout out sa ako mga subscriber. Perting tugnawa day. Nay Arotay, oh Arotay. Typhoon, sarado pa. Wala kataguan niya. Mo ni ron diri ang sitwasyon diri sa Arotay. Unsay kasulti ni mo day? Tugnaw. Unsay taga New Zealand nga tugnaw?
Tugnaw kayo ay!
Gitugnaw. Wa sila ba ang tugnaw? Ako na ana bang tugnaw? Sa dalagit pwede tugnawa? Tugnaw pas dalagit? Dire, sus Ginoo. -3.
-3?
Oh. Paita. Okay guys, subay kung totoo, dinig abot na mo ito sa among atuan.